Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. You know who it is, it's the Bob Baddie, and I'm back with another hair tutorial. So today we're going to be making a 27-piece glueless lace wig. So first we're going to take our Got To Be Free spray and spray it all over our cap. This is a mesh dome cap that I bought from my local beauty supply store. I'm placing the cap on my canvas head and I'm basically spraying it down with Got To Be Free spray. This helps lay your glue and your tracks down correctly and neatly, and it keeps a secure hold. So now I'm going to take some regular bonding glue I got from the beauty supply store, and I'm going to take my Tara Velvet 27-piece. This is what we're working with today. This cost about $25. I got it from my beauty supply, and this comes in 2, 4, and 6 inches. This is 100% human hair. So first I'm going to take my 2 inches and put it in that quadrant, that little space below right there. I'm going to put my human hair, my little two pieces and 2-inch hair right there. So do you see those white markers, those white lines? If you've seen my previous videos, you'll see what those white lines are used for. So the one that's in the middle is where my 2-inch hair goes. Now I'm going to take my 4-inch hair and put it in those lines that you see right here. So basically I'm going to keep following each of these guidelines to get my desired look. So I'm taking my 4-inch hair right here and I'm placing it right there. So just keep laying it there, keep placing it there. I also use T-pins to keep the tracks and the wefts in place. That's also a quick hack if you're a beginner and if you wear acrylic nails and you can't grip the track. So gonna follow the guidelines, keep laying them and keep placing them. Gonna take the glue, put it on the weft, or if you feel like sewing it, you can do it that way. This is a pretty quick, easy thing for beginners as well. I like this style. I've never done this before until today. So if you want me to do another video like this, I will probably do it with sewing it, because I feel like that would go a lot faster than gluing. The gluing, I had to cut the wefts and measure it. That was kind of a bit much, but it's my first time, so I like this method. I like this style actually. So this is how the 2-inch hair and the 4-inch hair look like this. This is how it looks roughly, you know, without me cutting it or styling it or putting a razor to it or anything. It comes already basically pre-bumped and pre-styled, so you just have to cut it to your desired look. But this is how it looks, glued on, regular. I'm gonna spray some more Got To Be Glued free spray on there to kind of, you know, lock it in place. You can let your unit sit under the dryer. That kind of helps it dry faster, because right now, as you can see, my unit is a little wet from the bonding glue. So I use bonding glue to make this unit. You can use, you know, you can do your traditional sewing method. You can use hot glue and it'll keep the same way. So up here, up top is where I put the 6-inch hair. Where those white lines are, I will place the 6-inch hair there. And that's what I did off camera. It was pretty easy, pretty seamless. You know, I just followed the guidelines that I had, and it, you know, it came out really full. I ended up using the whole entire box. So right now, I'm gonna install the wig, and I'm gonna let you see how I look in this next clip. Hey y'all, look cute. Let's go. So as you can see, there is no glue in sight. I just slid the unit on. Yes, you heard, glueless, no glue in sight. So what I call this is a slip and slide. You can slip it on and slide it on. You don't have to put no glue. You don't have to put no lace adhesives. No, I don't even have an elastic band in this, y'all. So I can take this wig on and I can pull it off. This is a quick on-the-go style. The closure I got is from my hair company, Royal Beauty Hair Collection. This is an 8-inch closure in body wave, and this is how it looks pretty much. I just threw the closure on in the middle, you know, just to give me that nice little part. I didn't get too much of a deep part, but it's a quick little cute part. I like this style. I really try short hair again because I'm going to work. I don't feel like doing my hair right now, so this is a very quick and easy style. Like I said, it's a slip and slide. This unit is a slip and slide. It is snug too, so I don't have to worry about it, you know, sliding out of place, because well, it's snug to my head. And yes, I approve. So now take the razor comb. You're going to cut it in a jagged like motion, because If you cut straight across, it's gonna look really wiggy. I don't like my wigs to look wiggy. I like my wigs to look natural. So you're gonna cut across in a jagged motion, in and out. I use the in and out motion when I use my razor comb. Snip, snip, snip. It didn't take that much because it's a 4x4 closure. It's not that big. Maybe next time I'll use a frontal to get that extra, deep bang look. But this will do. I like it for now. What about y'all? If you like my video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications and ring the bell. I like this video and I like this wig because it was short, it was easy, and it's cute. It's very low maintenance, y'all. I didn't have to bump this hair at all because, well, it's pre-styled. As you can see, I'm tugging on my lace, right? I tugged on the lace, right? It didn't go nowhere. So this is the perfect glueless unit. I tugged on my lace, it didn't go nowhere, and it stayed in place. So right now, I'm gonna take my little flat iron with a smaller mouth, and I'm just gonna bump it in place, just to feather my bang or whatever, kind of give it, a little style. Not too much of a feather, but I just wanted something quick. Tell me what y'all think. Y'all like my short hairstyle? Is it giving you, pixie cut vibes? Because it's giving me pixie cut vibes. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at @TheBaldBaddie. The with an A, THA, Bald and Baddie. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Turn on your post notifications. We're on the road to 100 subscribers. So if you like my content, feel free to, drop something in that comment box. Feel free to drop something in that comment section. Turn on your post notifications because it's going to be another bell. See you, baddie family. Love you to pieces, and there's nothing you can do about it. Be your own kind of beautiful.